Convoy leader, you are cleared for Bay 4. Back it up slowly, clear on the left.
Did you know chicks receive crucial vaccinations before they even hatch? In-ovo needle injection delivers precise vaccine into the egg's amniotic fluid.
High moisture softens the inner shell membrane so chicks can break free easily.
Can AI tell if a newborn chick is healthy in 10 milliseconds? 4K vision algorithms analyze chick movement, wing strength, and stance instantly.
Why does a 100 chick shipping box always contain exactly 102 chicks? The 2 extra chicks are an industry safety.
How do you feed 1,000,000 birds at the exact same moment? Coreless steel augers spin inside hundreds of miles of piping to deliver feed everywhere instantly.
How does a blade cut 12,000 legs an hour without shattering a bone? Precision guide wheels bend the leg.
Watch the speed on Carousel 3. Confirmed, adjusting flow rate now. Spring-loaded robotic spoons adapt to the exact bone structure of every individual bird.
Why air chill the meat instead of just dumping it in ice water? Air chilling prevents water absorption, ensuring you pay for pure meat, not frozen water.
How do you butcher 10,000 birds perfectly when they are all different sizes? The rigid shackles measure the exact length of each bird, adjusting the blades instantly.
How do you cut 12,000 wings without ever hitting the bone? Steel guide rails physically stretch the wing, opening the cartilage joint for the blade to pass freely.
Why do they remove all the air from the blender? Tumbling in a vacuum sucks the marinade deep into the meat cells, ensuring perfect flavor in every single bite. How do they get the coating perfectly even on every single nugget? A high-speed air knife blows away exactly the right amount of wet batter. Steam cooks the inside of the chicken perfectly without drying out the meat or burning the breading. Slow freezing creates large ice crystals that shred meat cells. Cryogenic freezing locks water in place instantly, keeping the meat juicy.
Why do they X-ray the chicken again after it's already in the bag? It guarantees that no piece of factory machinery accidentally broke off into the final retail packaging. How do they make sure every TV dinner looks like the picture on the box? The vibratory pan aligns the vegetables perfectly, while lasers count the exact ratio of orange to green. Why do the trays need to be perfectly dry?
Even a drop of water will ruin the cardboard sleeve and block the final expiration date lasers.
Solenoid guns shoot microscopic dots of liquid glue at 175 degrees Celsius in 2 milliseconds as the box flies by.
Ink smears when frozen food sweats. The laser literally burns the date into the box, making it impossible to rub off.